Welcome back to Joe Rod Trades. This is not my series one good trade. Unfortunately, there's no trading today. RIP Jimmy Carter. Today we're going to go over patterns and a couple real life examples of patterns, three similar patterns. So here's UAL, a trade that we took yesterday, or I took yesterday, and I also put it in my one good trade. We had a breakdown after the ride up along the Kellner channel. We had 1, 2, so that makes it a complex pullback. There was 2 legs in this pullback. It wasn't just a rest like this and then a breakout up. So we have a complex pullback, a breakout, which we broke out on one of these 2 bars here from that, and then a retest of this point here. This was an important point for buyers. This is a very strong bull bar and a breakout, and they held this level up nicely. A very aggressive entry, which wouldn't have been wrong, would have been right about here. And you could see that would have already paid off a nice 1-to-1. The next stock I'm going to go over is LULU. I actually recommended this for one good trade, and it broke down in this area here. I think I wanted to get long right above this, and it ended up breaking down. It's actually over here. And it ended up breaking down, hitting a stop loss, but nonetheless, it did come back and show some strength here. So here's the deal with LULU. We have a complex pullback here. We have a breakout. We have a retest of that breakout point here, and then an inside bar, which would have been optimal to enter at. Okay, the next stock I have is WS. This is a trade that I actually took, and this ended up rolling over when the market rolled over, and I reduced risk on it, so I wasn't hurt for my full R, which is perfect. That's what I want if I'm going to get hurt. And it ended up coming back, so you could see the idea was we had the touch of the Kellner channel here, and then to get long somewhere on this pullback. And these were pretty strong bear bars. I should have noticed. Maybe I didn't want to get in on these. Nonetheless, there was a pullback, 1, 2 legs. This leg is just a bit higher than this leg. So we draw our line. We have a breakout point right here. And then we have a retest almost perfectly of this breakout point. And then you probably could have gotten in on this bar here. And this trade, you'd probably still be in this trade a bit. But that is the other important thing with this is that it held earning support on those 2 legs. So showed a lot of strength there. That's all I have for today. Good luck and good trading.